Hey guys, it's Tian. I'm at the Schluter training event on curbless showers. Let me show you what they have going on right behind me. Over here, we have a wall placement for the drain. So this will get the tile right over here, and then the tile or the drain grate will be over here. We have several options. This one, you put the tiles over, and this one have a little lip. So once you put it down, you're going to have a tile that goes right up against it. And with the finished look, you're going to see a little bit of a stainless steel right here. Versus, we have this option. You put it down, and the tile goes right up against it. So now there's a very minimal stainless steel reveal right there. So this is the option to put the drain right against the wall. Another option is to put the drain right in the middle of the shower. This is a smaller mock-up, but we can have a much bigger shower tray and put this anywhere you like to fit your room. So here we can just have the tile on both sides sloping down right into the middle. We have this other option where, once again, you have a little bit more of a stainless steel reveal on either side. Finally, we have this option where the drain is tiled and right in the middle. We have about an 1/8 inch spacing right here between the two tiles. And in the actual installation, of course, the drain will be at the lowest point. So both of these tiles will be a little bit higher. As a contractor that continuously improves my game, I hope this video has been helpful, and reach out to us for any bathroom renovation questions.